My name is Helio Bustamante. I'm a Senior Business Development Manager at ITM Power. I've been in the hydrogen industry for over 20 years now. In that time, I have been involved with the early development of the technology 20 years ago, R&D pilot projects. In more recent years, I have been directly involved with the execution of projects across Europe and further afield. We have delivered projects of different scales, increasing over the years. And right now we are commissioning plants of 200 megawatts in Germany, more next year of 100 megawatts. So the practical experience is there from the point of view of executing real-life projects and overcoming the challenges that our industry is faced with. For those less familiar with ITM Power, we are a PEM electrolyzer company based in the UK. We, over the years, have developed our own technology. We have IP on our proprietary electrolyzer stacks and products, and we offer a range of standardized mature products to cover different sizes of projects, anything from 2 megawatts up to multiple hundreds of megawatts. We offer a complete solution, including obviously the equipment of supply, the installation, commissioning, and after-sales technical support. So we've had the opportunity to be involved with the projects from early development stages until the operation phase and pick up the learnings from all of those stages. What we see in Europe at the moment is an evolution into execution. It has been slow. It has been slower than we all expected, but it is actually happening, and the number of projects and the scale of projects continues to increase. We tend to be very overly optimistic or overly pessimistic in our industry. Sometimes the hype and the expectation for hundreds of gigawatts drives the headlines, and then at different times the news are very pessimistic. At ITM, we are actually extremely optimistic about the industry, about the sector, about the growth opportunities. In Greece, in particular, Greece is blessed with abundant renewable energy resources, and we see the challenge, as it has been in other European regions, is in the coordination and alignment of legislation, infrastructure, and off-takers. With those key elements aligned, then the projects become bankable, the projects become feasible, and we need to talk, and there have been already some conversations about key topics like electricity pricing. We see across Europe different countries taking different approaches, but the fact remains that those are topics that need to be tackled, topics that need to be addressed in a coherent way. And my personal point of view is that Greece is uniquely positioned to be ambitious with the plans and to have a long-term view of what Greece's role can be in the mid and long term in the hydrogen industry for the whole European region.
Do you have any recommendations for Greece regarding the energy cost, because you have the European experience? So, are there any recommendations for Greece in order to be able to promote more and more the hydrogen projects?
There are different mechanisms that have been tried by different nations. So fundamentally, the cost of electricity is one of the key parameters for the overall cost of green hydrogen. There is no two ways around that. And there needs to be a mechanism that enables green hydrogen producers to have access to abundant, reliable, and low-cost electricity, renewable electricity. The mechanisms could look to support the connections, support the tariffs that these operators of green hydrogen plants have access to. It could take the form of contracts of difference, where the additional cost for the green element is supported, is subsidized in some way. So there are existing mechanisms that could be implemented, but it is important that Greece looks at the local market, that Greece looks at what will work for Greece, and choose a solution that will support the long term and the bankability of the hydrogen projects.